I've had this fillable light bulb that I found at Hobby Lobby for a while and wanted to finally make good use of it. I decided to add some holiday cheer and sweets. I think it will make the perfect small gift for neighbors, friends, or co-workers. I used a glass bulb, white cardstock, twine, scissors, and red hot candies. I have attached a link to the tag in the description box below. Simply fill the light bulb with candy and add the tag using some matching twine or thread. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.